Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So without delay, let's start the video. This is my succulent which I had bought from Kersiong and it is doing good. This is my wandering Jew which I had transplanted recently. Although the plant looks frail, but it has survived and it's going to do well gradually. And when insufficient light is there, the leaves turn green. Now this is my bougainvillea, the hybrid one, and this particular plant changes the color of the flower every time it blooms, and this time it is orangish red. See how pretty the color is. Now let's move on to our poinsettia, which I had purchased from the Gorkhe Hut when I visited it last Sunday. And this is how it looks. It's one of the plant which will not disappoint you during Christmas. It gives that Christmas vibes. Beautiful poinsettia. Now this is my dollar plant in a tiny pot, but looking at its growth, I'm remembering the story of Jack and the Beanstalk. Look at its growth, and the growth is very fast. In 2 days time I see it has grown bigger than it was earlier, and I'm thinking of taking a few cuttings so that the height of the plant is also reduced. This is it, but I wish to have a dollar plant which is variegated. Now let's see when I can catch hold of it. Now this is my beautiful marble queen pothos. It has covered almost the tiny pot in which I had placed it. So this is my marble queen pothos which had been transplanted during the rainy season. This is a wandering Jew. Now the beautiful golden sedum, a very hardy succulent, I must say, and a beginner's friendly succulent, because if you are a beginner with succulent, you don't want your plants to die, so this is the one you can go for. Now this is my variegated jade, and I love this particular plant because of the red stem that it flaunts. So it's a beautiful plant. This is the cutting which has been taken from the mother plant, and the cutting is also doing well. Now this is my Kalankoi panda's paw. It had almost died. Thank God I could save this particular chap, and now it seems to be doing good. Actually the rain had killed it, nearly killed it. Now this is a dollar plant leaf which I have put it here to see whether it propagates or not. This is our sedum, but I don't know why my sedum is looking a bit dull in the sense it looks a bit dehydrated. So let's see. Thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.